A pervasive feature of the ADS market has been the so-called race to autonomy. Here's a leaderboard from 2017, and a couple things to notice are, first of all, many of those names have changed since 2017, with some names both coming and going between 2017 and 2021. But another thing to notice is that all except one plan to have products released in 2021, and for most of them, that has not happened. What we've learned since 2017 is that in 2021, it's going to take a long time to deploy the technology, and even those few companies who can say they've deployed now are doing so at very limited scale, and it's clear that it will take quite a while to scale up for this technology to be pervasive. An important takeaway from this is that any strategy based on, well, we need to get this out this year or next year, so we're going to skip steps or we don't have to worry about certain things, is unlikely to work out. This technology will take a long time to both be deployed and to scale up.